Join Cell Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 7 to 12. Register today for Cell Talent Search exam for class 6 to 12. Admissions are now open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2022.
Today you can see what's happening outside the Talegaon Panchayat. You can see roads getting done, you can see BJP flags on the other side. Tomorrow is Amit Shah's visit right here in Goa. And Jennifer Monserrat in 2019 jumped from Congress to BJP. These roads have been in pathetic condition from that time till yesterday. And just because Mr. Amit Shah is arriving tomorrow, hot mix is happening today. Is she trying to save her seat? I mean, we have been voicing from such a long time to give us big roads, to give us good roads in this area. In Karanzale, she said that we do not have funds after she jumped into BJP. And you can see that when these big political leaders are coming down to Goa, only then these roads are getting done. Who is she trying to fool? Who is she really trying to fool? We people of Talegaon are not blind. We can see what is happening. Jennifer Monserrat, you have jumped from Congress to BJP for development. And I don't think just because your big shots and your high profile leaders are coming down to Goa, roads have to be done. You have been elected by the people to do work for the people, not for your big top bosses. So please realize this, that on ground level, you are the MLA and you have to work for the common people. Not like this an eyewash, with all the flags being displayed, the roads getting done. Very, very sad. Very, very sad. You being an MLA should have been doing this before any of your high profile people coming in. Sad reality of our BJP MLAs here. See.
आता हे टायमाक फाल्यां आतां जो अमित शाह येवपाचो आसा हे सगळ्यांच्या दोळ्यांक उदक लावपाची कामां ही तालिगांवच्या लोकांच्या खातीर कामां न्ही ही फक्त अमित शाहच्या दोळ्यांक आनी आमच्या दोळ्यांक उदक लावपाची कामां आमचो पयसो आमच्या टॅक्साचो पयसो आनी हे सगळ्यांक कोणाक कांय खबर ना आतां तरी सगळ्यांनी दोळे उक्ते करचे आनी हे पळोवचे हे लास्ट मोमेंटाक फाल्यां येता आनी आयज कितें जाता तें
आमचे कारंजाले रोड इतले पाड जाल्ले आहा बायकान जावं कारान तुका वचपाक सारको रोडूच ना नॉन एक्झिस्टंट म्हळ्यार जाता आनी कारंजालेचे लोक जेन्ना जेनिफराक सांगता रोड रिपेर कर म्हणून तेन्ना तेजो ऑलवेज आन्सर आसता की गव्हर्मेंटा कडेन फंड्स ना म्हणून आनी आतां फाल्यां अमित शाह येता तेन्ना आयज जस्ट प्रिवियस डे ते कडेन फंड्स खंयसान येयले म्हणजे कॉमन मनशाक बरे रोड जाय जाल्यार तुमचे कडेन फंड्स ना पूण अमित शाह येता तेन्ना तुमकां हे जप करून फास्ट कामां नॉट गूड क्वॉलिटी अशें फास्ट कामां केल्यार तेजी क्वॉलिटीज आसतली म्हणजे अमित शाह गेलो आनी मागीर रोड पिड्यार जाल्यार कोताक येता आमकां यूज करता तेन्ना आमकां बरो रोड नाका मागीर लास्ट मोमेंट तुमी कामां करता आनी फाल्यां कितें फोंडपाचें आहा तें फोंडपाचें चालू जातलें अमित शाह गेलो म्हणटकच अशें तुमी पब्लीक फंड्स वेस्ट करता आनी जेन्ना गरज आहा थिंगा तुमचे कडेन तुमी फंड्स ना म्हणटा